Hi. My name is Mary. I would like to invite you to join more than 11,000 investors who accepted Intuitive Code Challenge, a leader in artificially intelligent algorithms, to invest in this marvelous public company changing the tech landscape. Let me share some astonishing facts. Firstly, no one has ever lost money investing in Alex's idea since inception. Secondly, Alex, family, friends, team members, all of them invested in. Thirdly, the first who joined the list, Alex made it clear that you would retire as a millionaire. Alex's record is well known worldwide. What he says has always happened. Finally, it has been free since 2018. And yet, we have further exciting news. Registered users are going to have access to lots of new stuff. Learn to think differently. Blow out the competition out of the water. Start today.